Did you know that each year fungal diseases destroy at least 125 million tons of our top 5 crops? Rice, wheat, maize, potatoes and soybeans. This affects the yield profit and causes extensive damage to the environment. These diseases include wheat rust, potato blight and spot blotch. Wheat diseases cause yield losses of about 20% around the world, and wheat and maize cost global agriculture $60 billion. The use of genetic modification is crucial. By 2050, agriculture will need to produce 50% more food due to the increase in world population, and so we need a sufficient amount of crop production.
Therefore, we found a way to solve this problem, which is by gene editing. So gene editing is a type of technology where we can change the characteristics of a plant by adding, replacing, or removing base pairs, which are parts of the DNA sequence. Due to the limited amount of wheat being harvested to fungal diseases, we need to make the wheat more resistant. But the question is, how do we do that? Well, there are a few methods. One of them is using recombinant DNA. So we find a small sequence that contains the disease-resistant genes and insert it into the wheat's DNA. We can also use CRISPR-Cas9 editing. This is a type of technology which uses a protein called Cas9 to detect the position of the DNA to be modified. Then, we add the small sequence of the disease-resistant gene to it. If needed, some base pairs will also be deleted, but as a result, the seeds that contain the new genes are grown.
These methods have seen amazing improvements in crop production. For example, in the 1940s, wheat was dwarfed to have heavier grains and be harvested easier. Since then, the production of wheat has increased significantly and saved people from poverty. In 2010, wheat's global production was 653 million metric tons. This shows these methods are safe to use and don't involve the use of pesticides or chemicals. And with genetic modification, the infection of rust decreased by up to 20%. Our take-home message is that we want to raise awareness of these methods and the importance of genetic modification. These methods are still developing and improving, and hopefully this video will encourage people to believe that these methods are a type of technology that has helped us environmentally and economically.